everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Angeles here. If you're new, please subscribe, hit the notification bell so every time I have a new video you guys are updated with it. And as you guys can see, I have something new and exciting to show you guys. I got the Barbie Malibu collection from ColourPop and I'm super excited to show you guys. As you guys can see, I love this palette. It's a summer palette. I've been playing around with it, adding colors, and it's a beautiful palette, you guys. I just can't stop saying it's beautiful because it is. I'll show you guys. One of the things I love about this palette is that they got a mirror, which is a beautiful mirror, and then they also got a highlighter. And I love how this highlighter is. And just keep watching and you'll see what else is in this palette. You guys are gonna be amazed. Let's continue. So to get started, I'm gonna be using my favorite color. I'm gonna go in with something very bright, and I'm gonna be using my favorite SoCal orange right here. So, I want that summer look to show. So I'm gonna put that orange in the middle of my lid all the way to my outer corner, and I'm gonna be using the number 12 BH Cosmetics brush, and it looks like this. I'm gonna go in, start in the inner, and work my way out, making sure it's a straight line. I'm gonna get a little closer so you guys can see it. Now, once you're done with that, I'm gonna be adding my favorite color, West Coast, which is right here. I'm gonna add it with the same brush, and I love how these colors are so pigmented. Go under that orange. Love this one. It's called Surfs Up. It's this blue one right here. I did say I was gonna go a little crazy with my colors, so I will be using that beautiful blue. It looks like that ocean blue. I'm gonna go under that yellow. Whoa, you guys, this blue, man, wow. And because I'm using the same brush, whatever is like the orange and the yellow, it mixes it so you can see it really nice going in your eye. But that's such a beautiful color. I'm gonna add that beautiful blue again. Just following the yellow. And I like this brush because it's like flat but then it's fluffy at the same time, and it's very precise with its shape. Okay, so now with my blending brush, I'm going to be using Jaclyn Hill from Morphe. This is the JH30, and it's a big fluffy brush, as you guys can see. And I'm just going to blend everything so everything looks smoother. And remember, just go softly so you just, it looks like a sunrise, I guess you could say, in the ocean. Blend that orange in very well. and get it a little bit more smoother. Okay, I love the look. And I love that blue. It turned into like an aqua just because I mixed it in with my orange. So it's really nice, you know, palette. And I hope you guys can get this palette. It's a really nice multitasking palette with beautiful colors that you are able to use. So this is my favorite one. So now, after you're done with your eyes, I'm gonna be doing my mascara and my lashes. I'm gonna be adding my favorite go-to Thrive Cosmetics right here, if you guys can see that. The Barbie ColourPop Malibu lashes. These are called doll lashes, if you guys can see. Beautiful lashes. I really like them. I do wish they could be a little bit more curled, but I still love them. So I'm just gonna add those and I'll be right back. Okay, so once you're done with your lashes, as you guys can see, beautiful. I love this look, you guys. You can basically just use any colors you want. I added these because they're very ready for the beach, so I really wanted to incorporate these colors. So the next thing I will be adding is my bronzer. I love my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. This is the one that I'm recently using. I'm gonna be using my Angle brush. This is from BH Cosmetics #1. It's like, this brush is, I love this brush. So I'm gonna grab some of that. I'm gonna go to my color, to my bone. So I'm gonna grab some of that, just bring it up to my cheekbone, grab some to my temples, just adding definition to my face. Just as soon as you put this on, you can see the difference and get that look that you want for your face. As you guys can see. So next is gonna be our lips. I will be using the Barbie Malibu collection. This is my favorite one. I think if you guys can see it a little closer, you can see how much I've used. This is the Golden Beach from the Barbie Golden Beach lipstick. If you guys can see, I think I'm gonna go a little closer. As you guys can see, I love this color. You guys know how I am so big on a nude and a go-to, and this is my go-to. I'm gonna be using my mirror. I'm gonna add that. With this beautiful collection, they add 3 lip liners with the 3 lipsticks. Let me see if I can hold them. So I get the 3 lipsticks and the 3 lip liners. Well, I'm gonna show you the shades that they bring, which is these 3 right here, if you guys can see them. Okay, so for the collection, you will also receive a highlight, and if you guys can see how big this is, you guys, look at the mirror. It's like amazing. And the highlight, like, you get so much a lot of highlight. So beautiful highlight. I'm gonna be using my Coca-Cola Morphe highlight brush, and I'm gonna tap on that beautiful highlight. I'm gonna add it on my cheekbone. Use the same mirror. Whoa, you guys see that? Like, wow, amazing. I'm gonna add that here as well. Add that on top of my lips and in the middle of my nose. Just like adding highlight everywhere. I'm also gonna be adding separated from the collection. It's called Grande Glow and it's a liquid highlighter. I love this one. I just love adding it with that highlight because it's a good mix. And I love how big the tip of it is as well. So I'm gonna add, I'm gonna put like 3 dots just to add more glow. And I'm gonna put some in my tip of my nose. What I'm gonna do is with my finger, I'm gonna just dab and just get that shine going. Wow, that's a really beautiful shine. Okay, so once you're done, this is the finishing look. I love how this look came out. It's pretty easy. You guys know me already. I'm always trying to get something easy going for you guys and something that you guys can do, you know, before work. So I hope you guys like this video. Again, if you guys are new, please subscribe, hit the notification bell so every time I have a new video, you guys are updated with it. And I hope you guys have a beautiful day. It's good outside. It's a beautiful sunny day and I hope you guys enjoy it. And see you guys next time.